here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Vinny.
We are making a spinach and artichoke lasagna. Artichokes chopped up. We got a little bit of fresh garlic right here. We're gonna throw that in. We're gonna pour in some extra virgin olive oil and blend. Lily, you know what? I want a little salt in here.
I can do it. Cup of things I'm good for.
I want you to try that.
Okay.
You love that. You love that.
I love that.
This is thickened milk, essentially. It's a little flour, butter, roux, little nutmeg, salt, pepper, and milk. And this is our bechamel cream. We have our fresh spinach pasta here going down. Bechamel, little dollops going down, right? Little dollops of the artichoke cream. Some of the artichokes are rough chopped over here. And not too much of this, right? We got enough cream. Parmigiano Reggiano. And we're not gonna skimp on it, Lily.
Why would you?
I don't know why you would. We're gonna do our next layer, like rinse and repeat. This is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for like 40 minutes.
There it is.
Look at that.
Looks really good.
And that is spinach artichoke lasagna.
Head to our website, newsgulf.com. The recipe will be there. This looks phenomenal. Let's try it.
Yeah, we will.